Hi guys, I'm Bobby Seagull, school maths teacher and author. Today, I'm here to set you the Premier League Primary Stars Family Challenge. You've been asked to take a team photo of a selection of Premier League players. We need you to work out which of these players stands in spots A to E, based on the data on their Panini stickers. Can you help get the players into position? Player A is the tallest player. Player B is the goalkeeper. Player C is shorter than the players in the front row. Player D is 4 centimeters shorter than player B. Player E is 10 centimeters taller than player D. We want you to sit down with your family and work out who goes where. Show us your answers by sharing a photo of your working out with @PLCommunities using hashtag #PLPrimaryStars. We'll reveal the answers on Monday. Good luck!